C'est un mot qu'on dirait inventé pour
That deep French. This is typical of French musicians, guys. They have this deep baritone voice. Hi there, guys. Welcome back to another interesting reaction. Today we'll be checking out a French song. This one is called Belly by Garou, Daniel Lavoie, and Patrick Fiori, Notre Dame in Paris. You guys, you know how excited I get when I listen to French song, right? I haven't listened to this. This is my absolute first time, and without wasting time, let's jump right in. It's a concert. Wow. That deep French. This is typical of French musicians, guys. They have this deep baritone voice.
Alors je sens l'enfer s'ouvrir sous mes pieds. J'ai posé mes yeux sous sa robe de gitane. À quoi me sert encore de prier Notre-Dame? Et celui qui lui jettera la première pierre, celui-là ne mérite pas d'être sur terre. Oh Lucifer, oh laisse-moi rien qu'une fois glisser mes doigts dans les cheveux d'Esmeralda.
Let me slide my fingers through Emerald's hair. Okay? Who is this?
Elle, est-ce le diable qui s'est incarné en elle pour détourner mes yeux du Dieu éternel qui a mis dans mon être ce désir charnel pour m'empêcher de regarder vers le ciel. Elle porte en elle le péché originel.
No, it doesn't make you a criminal. It makes you a lover man.
Pousser la porte du jardin Esmeralda.
Belle, malgré ces grands yeux noirs qui nous ensorcellent, la demoiselle serait-elle encore plus celle quand ses mouvements me font voir monts et merveilles sous son jupon aux couleurs de l'arc-en-ciel. Ma dulcinée, laissez-moi vous être infidèle avant de vous avoir mené jusqu'à l'autel. Quel est l'homme qui détournerait son regard d'elle sous peine d'être changé en statue de sel? Oh, fleur de lys, je ne suis pas homme de foi. J'irai cueillir la fleur d'amour d'Esmeralda.
J'ai posé mes yeux sous sa robe de gitane. À quoi me sert encore de prier Notre-Dame? Et celui qui lui jettera la première pierre, celui-là ne mérite pas d'être sur terre. Oh Lucifer, oh laisse-moi rien qu'une fois Esmeralda. Esmeralda.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
On s'était dit pendant tout le temps de Notre-Dame de Paris qu'un jour, on allait le faire tous les trois. Merci. Je les aime. Daniel Lavoie, Patrick Fiori. C'est un rêve. C'est un rêve tout ça.
Wow, wow, wow. This is a wonderful song. First and foremost, you don't need nobody telling you that Paris is the city of love. French music is just all about love. Honestly, you guys, I think this is about a lady whom everybody seem to portray as whom everybody see as a prostitute, but this young man trying to profess his love, he was like, he who is without sin should be the one to cast the first stone. I love how he was able to profess his love. I love his love language. I love how they express themselves. I love how he's able to tell his story. He didn't mind the scandal. He didn't mind the fact that she was a prostitute or anything. He was just a man deeply in love, a man professing his love for a woman, regardless of who she was, or or what she does. I like the fact where he said if he doesn't mind going through any punishment, he doesn't mind being a criminal, he doesn't mind going to prison just to have that chance to to rub his hand through her head. That was really wonderful, and I love the harmony in their voices. I love how they're able to express love through music. You could see it in their eyes. Their vocal cords is out of this world. The harmonies in their voice is just so mesmerizing. Guys, I enjoyed this song. What was this all about? Tell me a backstory about this very song. And who are they? Are they still alive? I really had fun watching. City of Love is Paris, and there's no doubt that hearing such a music from French artists like this, what I wasn't expecting less. Thank you so much. I had a wonderful time watching. I've been doing a lot of reaction to French music, and if you're new here, don't forget to scroll down my channel to see more of other French songs that I've done reactions to, and you'll love it. All right, stay safe and don't go nowhere. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.